was commission fee.
You stole half of the fucking burrito from her?
No, I didn't steal it. I went up to her.
Did you fucking bully it from her?
No. I walked up to her. I said, "Do you have scissors?" She goes, "Yeah." Okay. I was like, "Okay." So I whipped out the scissors, cut the burrito in half, and I was like, "Here you go." Like, here's a burrito. And she's like, "Oh, thanks." And I'm like, "You're welcome."
You basically bought yourself a burrito to school, cut it in half, and gave your friend half.
No, the burrito was for her. The whole burrito was for her.
And you took half of it, so
the
it's like...
burrito was this big. She didn't
You
eat
took
the
half of it, so it's like you brought your own burrito and just gave her half.
No.
Yeah, dude.
No.
You got some messed up logic.
No. Hello, I'm Mr. Ed.
What are you doing, Grina? Stop.
Easy cotton candy.
Gonna stop.